welcome back to Vlogmas. I keep saying Vlogtober, I've noticed in my previous videos. It's Vlogmas. Vlogmas day 19. I just finished a little mini workout, 30 minutes on the treadmill. I need to start doing that on a regular basis when I can't get out to the bridge to do my walking. Felt really good. I feel really good. It feels good to sweat. But anyway, got a lot I'm gonna be doing today. I'm definitely going to start on my simmer pot gifts. And so I'm down here in the garage in the freezer right now. I remembered I had a bag of cranberries that was left over from last year. And I'm hoping they're still good. They've been in the freezer since last year. And I just used them for the simmer pots. So I'm gonna take them on out of the freezer now. Let me show you guys. All right, so here they are. They look amazing still. But I'm gonna take these on out of the freezer and I think they should be good. I mean, freezing is a form of preserving, so I think they should be good, but I wanna use these in my simmer pots. So I'm gonna take them out, allow them to thaw. Then we're going to dehydrate these along with the limes and the oranges that I have. And hopefully they'll turn out just as good, if not better, than last year.
I bought a tree, we can dress together. Oh, I put a turkey to roast, stuffed with nutmeg, apple, and butter. So now I'm asking
Angelina and I are at a theater in a local town here, not far from our home. I'm here to watch one of my students perform. She is in a production of Frozen Kids, and so we came to give her some support, and we're so excited about it. So we've just gotten here to the theater, and I'm gonna go inside and let you guys see a little bit. I know we're not supposed to be recording or anything, so I won't be able to record the show, but I'll try to record maybe like the intro and then maybe their exit or something on stage. So let's go and let's check out Frozen Kids. You wanna say something, Angelina? Hey. Okay.
And maybe it's a party talking, and we're talking fondue. But when you look outside, I see your face, and it's not like I've ever known before. Love's an open door. Elsa, you sacrificed yourself for me. I love you. No, love will not. Na 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 hey ya na na hey ya na na hey ya na na oh na na hey ya no na. Summer returns. We're never going back. The past is in the
All right, guys, the show has ended. It was so adorable. It was about 45 minutes in length. It is a kids version show, really good. And so we're just going to wait around a little bit so I can go say hi to my student. There my baby face is.
There she go. There she go.
There she is. Look at my baby's face on the College of Business building. That's my baby. See your face there, guys? All right, guys, so we are close to home here. I stopped at Kroger because I am craving a nice big salad. That's what I want for dinner. So I stopped here at Kroger to get all of the salad fixings. They're being reduced to $2.29. I think I'm gonna get some of these and make me some mac and cheese for tomorrow. And let's go ahead and get some broccoli florets for Rico. Okay, everybody, so I am back home now, and I'm going to make me that big salad I was telling you guys that I wanted. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and start dehydrating my cranberries for my simmer pots. So I'm gonna put a few pans of that in the oven so that it can go ahead and get started. And tomorrow, all I'll have to do is dehydrate the limes and the oranges. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing. It's so simple. I've simply lined this pan and probably another pan here with some parchment paper. I'm going to put those in the oven. Put your oven on the lowest temperature that you have, and then put them in there for about 6 hours. 6 to 8 hours is what I think I remember doing these for. Put them in there and they just dry out. Now the cranberries didn't do as well as the limes and the oranges did last year, but they still worked well for what I needed them to do. So I'm just going to let me show you guys this process as well. So just got these spread here, and I'm going to spread them out. I'm just going to, because they're a bit wet. I want to touch and get all that stuff on my hands. Got a little bit of room, so I'm gonna put some more on here. And make sure they all are in one even layer so they can dehydrate really well. So in other words, you know, don't have them like stacking up on top of each other or anything. Put a few more over here. All right, so into the oven, this one goes. And I've got another smaller pan here. I'm gonna do, and then I've got another smaller pan here. I'm going to do the same thing with the few that I have left. Put down a couple of sheets of parchment paper right here. It fits perfectly, actually. And I'm just gonna spread the rest of these in there. Spread these out. And guys, I got these last year. They were like on clearance. I got them, they were like, it was like 3 of these large bags for like, I think they were like $1 each if I'm not mistaken. And so I used 2 of them last year, and the other bag I just froze, and they seem to be really well. So I'll definitely know after I dehydrate these, and then I'll do a test simmer pot before I send out any to anyone as gifts. But I'm positive they're going to be just fine. They smell great and they look really good. So anyway, the second pan is going into the oven now. Okay, for my salad, I'm going to be adding some of these Tyson blackened chicken strips in. These are so delicious, so convenient. So I'm going to stick a few of them in my pan here, and then I'm just going to simply dice them up. And yeah. All right, these are already cooked, so all I have to do is heat them through. So I'm going to put these in the air fryer for about 8 minutes, and I usually put them on 375 degrees, and then we'll check to see if they're ready, but that should be enough. All right, first I'm going to go ahead and make my salad. I'm just going to get my bags of lettuce here, and not that you guys need to know how to make a salad, but I'm just going to show you really quickly what I'm doing. I'm going to mix these two, because I'm going to mix these 2 bags of lettuce that I got because one of them was actually clearance. And good little price. This is very veggie, filled with a lot of vegetables. It's marked down to $1.79, and it all looks really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these greens and veggies all up in here together. And then when I'm done, instead of just having these bags in there, I am actually going to just go ahead and combine them so that I can have me a nice salad to go for the rest of the week, and I won't have to do this right here. So I'm gonna put them in one of my veggie keeper bins, and hopefully it'll keep them nice and fresh for at least the next 2-3 days. All right, so I got my greens right here. Now let's cut up some vegetables. All right, so I'm gonna put my salad in my little Rubbermaid like veggie keeper thing. I'm wondering if I should put paper towel down at the bottom. We'll see how well this does, and I'll know better next time if I need to put something down at the bottom of it. It doesn't say it, you know, it never said it to do that, but I think I've seen people do that or something. I don't know. So the chicken turned out perfect, just 8 minutes from frozen. And it's tender, it's juicy, it's not dried out. Sometimes I would leave it in there for like 10 minutes or longer. That's way too much. So 8 minutes from frozen is perfect in my air fryer. And someone had asked me what air fryer I have. I have a Power X air fryer that I got from Sam's Club. They sell them at Walmart as well. And this one was $100. It was like $99.99. So yeah, $100. And I love it. It has been a lifesaver in many occasions when I need to throw something together real quick and really don't feel like it. It cooks up what I need quickly, cooks evenly. I love it. Everybody, salad was so delicious. I ate it all. It was fantastic. Everything that I was craving was in that salad. It was so delicious. So I have wiped down the cabinets here and put the dishes in the dishwasher, so the dishwasher's going. And now I am getting ready to close out this vlog and head upstairs, take a shower, and get in the bed. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another vlog. It is always a pleasure. I will be back tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas, and I hope that you guys join me. Until then, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I'm going to talk to you in tomorrow's vlog right here on Sincerely Legenia. See you later, guys. Bye.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree.